Today, the Department of Children and Families is in court to terminate the parental rights of a woman who claimed her toddler's death resulted from a hit-and-run accident.
The case was later ruled a homicide. Today, the state is asking a judge to sever all of 22-year-old Marianne Schwartz's parental rights to the victim's sibling, a 2-year-old boy.
WESH 2's Bob Keeling is live at Orange County Juvenile Court. And Bob, this hearing puts a focus on the plight of many children who end up alone due to crimes of violence.
Exactly right, Jim. And in this case, it's basically up to strangers here to decide whether or not the boy should stay in foster care as he is now, perhaps be adopted down the road, or give his biological father's family a chance to raise him. And they've had very little contact with him.
Okay, I don't have information on what his needs are.
A caseworker is talking about 22-year-old Marianne Schwartz's 2-year-old son. Now that Schwartz is charged with fatally abusing the boy's 3-year-old sister, allegedly trying to cover it up as a hit-and-run accident. She sits as a passive observer while the state moves to terminate her rights to him.
Due to the egregious nature of this case, this is a homicide. We can't consider mom as a viable option of a placement in the future.
But now the question they wrestle with is whether Schwartz's son should be left in foster care to be adopted or placed with a father out of state who they say has had little or no contact with the boy since he was born. Another option is his paternal grandmother. Hearings like this are common for children who are taken out of their homes due to physical or sexual abuse, or in this case, they become orphans after parents are killed or jailed.
They're victims too, although they may not have experienced physical trauma, they've experienced emotional trauma. Their entire worlds have been disrupted.
As his mother waits to be tried for first-degree murder, the 2-year-old's fate will be decided by caseworkers in Illinois who will do what's called a home study to see if anyone in his father's side of the family is fit to take him. And in the meantime, a caseworker who says she has seen Schwartz's son says he appears to be in good spirits. But until they can wrestle with this fundamental question as to what his future should hold down the road, he's one of 14,000 Florida children in the state's foster care system. Reporting live in Orange County, Bob Keeling, WESH 2 News.